Hello guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how to connect your Binance to Metatrader 5. So it's really simple actually. So here I will teach you how to do it. So you'll have to first go to your menu tools options and press Ctrl O. So from there you will have to go to the expert tab advisor and add 4 URLs to the allowed URLs. First is gonna be api.binance.com and next is fapi.binance.com, stream.binance.com, and fstreambinance.com. So these are going to be the allowed web request listed URLs for your MetaTrader 5. From there, if you do not plan to use the copying mode for the demo account, you can just disconnect the terminal from the broker server completely, and this will avoid freezing codes on the weekends. So to do this, you will have to go to terminal settings again or just go to Control O and then server tab and then enable the checkbox in here, enable proxy server, and then press OK. From that, restart the terminal, make sure the connection is going to be working, and make sure it's going to show 0/0 kilobytes. And then congratulations, your terminal is now complete and you are ready to enjoy Binance on your MetaTrader 5. And it's just that simple.